In this video, I'm going to show you how Firefox gets the native Mica effect on Windows 11 using a simple hidden setting into the About config. This is a quick customization that can make Firefox blend much better with the Windows 11 look and feel, giving it that softer, more modern native appearance. If you like useful Firefox tips and Windows 11 tweaks, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 computer. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type about config, then press enter. This is Firefox's advanced configuration page, where you can change hidden preferences that are not normally available in the standard settings menu. The first time you open this page, Firefox will show you a warning message letting you know that changing advanced preferences can affect browser behavior. That's completely normal. Just click Accept the risk and continue to move forward. Now that you're inside the advanced configuration page, use the search box at the top and type Widget.Windows.Mica.Enabled exactly as shown. This is the preference that controls the native Mica effect in Firefox on Windows 11. After you type it, Firefox should display the matching setting right away. If you see a plus icon next to Widget.Windows.Mica.Enabled, click it to add or reveal the preference if needed. Then look at the value beside it. If the value is set to false, that means the Mica effect is currently disabled. If it is set to true, the effect is already enabled. To turn it on, click the toggle button on the right side so the value changes from false to true. Once you do that, Firefox should start using the native Mica effect on Windows 11, helping the browser better match the Windows interface. In some cases, you may want to restart Firefox or simply refresh the browser window so the change appears properly, and that's it. You've now enabled the native Mica effect in Firefox on Windows 11 using a hidden advanced setting. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your browser. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech tips and Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.